Lesson 1. Review questions. Foreign language 2. Conversational Arabic for hospitality management. Welcome to the review questions on Lesson 1 about the Arabic language and introduction. 1. What is the Arabic alphabet and how many letters does it have? The Arabic alphabet consists of 28 letters. It is the script used to write the Arabic language and is written from right to left. How is Arabic written and what is the script direction? Arabic is written from right to left, as we have said, which means you start writing on the right side of the page and continue towards the left. Are there any special characters or diacritical marks in Arabic? Yes, Arabic uses diacritical marks such as dots and dashes to indicate vowels and pronunciation. These marks are important for proper pronunciation. Number 4, what are the basic Arabic pronunciation rules and sounds? Arabic has unique sounds not found in English. It's important to learn the correct pronunciation of letters like Ain and Kha and the various vowels. Number 5, can you explain the concept of vowels and consonants in Arabic? Arabic has both vowels, short and long, and consonants. Vowels are used to indicate pronunciation and are essential for understanding and speaking Arabic correctly. Number 6. What are some common Arabic greetings and expressions? Common Arabic greetings include marhaban for hello and ahlan for hi. Basic expressions might include shukran for thank you and min fadlik for please. 7. How do I introduce myself in Arabic? What's the typical format? You can introduce yourself by saying Ana and then state your name. For example, Ana Muhammad, which means I am Muhammad. Or Ana Sarah, which means I am Sarah. 8. Are there any gender-specific language considerations in Arabic? Yes, Arabic often has gender-specific forms of words and phrases. For instance, verbs and adjectives may change based on the gender of the subject. 9. What are the differences between formal and informal Arabic? Arabic has both formal, that is modern standard Arabic, and many informal dialects. The choice depends on the situation. Modern Standard Arabic is used in formal settings, while dialects are used in daily conversations. 10. How are Arabic words structured? What is the root system? Arabic words are typically derived from root consonants, usually 3. So prefixes, suffixes, and vowels are added to these roots to create words with different meanings. 11. What are the most common Arabic numerals and how are they written? Arabic numerals are the same as Western numerals. They are written from left to right, unlike Arabic script, and are used for numbers. 12. Can you provide examples of basic Arabic phrases for everyday use? Here are some examples. Marhaban for hello. Marhaban. كيف حالك or كيف حالك? How are you? Depending on the gender, the first is for male and the next is for female. For how are you? كيف حالك? كيف حالك? شكرا for thank you. شكرا. من فضلك for please. من فضلك. أهلا وسهلا welcome. أهلا وسهلا. Okay, so next meeting, we will dive into the next lesson, lesson 2, about understanding Arab culture. Thank you and see you next time.